A cylindrical metal pipe, 1 meter long, has inner and outer radii of 3.7 centimeter and 2.3 centimeter respectively. Use the value of 22/7 for pi to find the volume of metal in the pipe in centimeter cube. Solution. Now the first thing we need to do now is to sketch out the metallic pipe. Sketch out the metallic pipe. Now we have the metallic pipe. The metallic pipe. Now from the question, a cylindrical metal pipe 1 meter long. So 1 meter long, this is 1 meter long. 1 meter long. One meter. And in centimeter, 1 meter is what? Is the same thing as 100 centimeter. Has inner and outer radii. The inner radii is this. Look at. This is the center. From here to here is small r. While from this side to this side is like big R. So it means that from this question, small r is, that's the inner radii. That's what? 2.3 centimeter. That's the inner radii. While the outer radii is 3.7 centimeter. So it means that has inner and outer radii. So we're supposed to have this. There should be an adjustment on the question. This one should be 2.3 centimeter, while this one should be 3.7 centimeter. Sorry about that. So this should be 3.7 because the inner one is less than the outer one. So the inner radii should be less than the outer radii. Inner radii is 2.3 centimeter, while the outer radii is 3.7 centimeter. Please take note of that. So in this case, we need to find the volume of the metallic part. You know, inside here, this is like an hollow part, while here is like, I can shade this part. These are the metallic part. The thickness between here. So in that case, it means that you can see, we also see the thickness here, from here to here, from here to here. This is the thickness. Now, we can now find the volume. And what kind of shape is this? It's like the inner one, we have a smaller cylinder inside. This is like a cylinder, inner one. The smaller one. And the bigger cylinder is the outer one. So we have two cylinders here. So for us to find the volume of the metallic part, it's going to be the volume of the bigger cylinder, which is the outer one, minus the volume of the inner cylinder, of the smaller cylinder, which is the inner one. So let's solve the problem. So volume of the metallic part. Volume of the metallic pipe, or let's say volume of the metal in the pipe, will be volume of what? The volume of big cylinder minus volume of small cylinder. Minus volume of small cylinder. So the volume of the big cylinder, what is volume of a cylinder? That is pi r square h. We use small r for D. You can't use the same letter. If this is small r, then we use big R. Pi r square h. Now, minus what? Pi r square h. They have the same height, both the smaller one and the bigger one. So in this case, we can also write this as what? If you factorize this, we can see that pi h is common. So we can write this as pi h, which is a common factor. If pi h divide this, we have r squared minus what? What do we have here? If this pi h divide this also, we have minus small r squared. So in this case, what is pi from the question? Pi is given as 22/7. And what is h? H is this. That is the length of the metallic pipe. So in that case, that's 100. Then what is big R? 3.7. So we have 3.7 squared. Small r is what? 2.3. So we have 2.3 squared. So in this case, we can now simplify further. We have 22 divided by 7 times 100 times what? Now, looking at what we have here, this is difference of squares of two values. Now, in this case, we are going to apply the formula. So you should recall that when you have a squared minus b squared, is the same thing as what? A plus b into what? A minus b. A here is like 3.7, while b is like what? 2.3. So here we are going to have 3.7 plus 2.3 into bracket 3.7 minus 2.3. So in this case we have 22 times 100/7 times, what is 3.7 plus 2.3? Now, 3 plus 2 normally is 5. Is 0.7 plus 0.3, that is 1. So 3.7 plus 2.3 is 6. So that will give us 6. Then times 3.7 minus 2.3. That will give us 1.4. And from here, we can write that 22/7 times 100 times 6. This one we have here is the same thing as well. What is 1.4? If you convert this to fraction, it's the same thing as 14/10. So here we have 7 here, 1. Then 7 in 14, what will you have? 2. And from here, 10 here, 1. 10 here is what? 10. So what do we have left? We now have 22 times 10, which is 220. So we have this. Okay, let me do it like this. We can have 22 times 10 times, what do we have from here? 6 times 2. 6 times 2, that is 12. So we have 12. So from here, we can multiply 22 and 12 together. Let's multiply 22 and 12. What will you have? 22 by 12. So we have 22 times 12. What are we having? 2 times 2, we have what? 4. Then from here, 2 times 2, we also have 4. Now, 1 times 2, we have what? We have 2. 1 times 2, we have 2. So here, this is 4. This is 6. We have 2, 6, 4. So it means that we have 2, 6, 4 for for the product of 22 by 12. So 264. So 22 by 12 is 264 times 10. That will be 2640. And what is the unit? We are dealing with volume. 2640 centimeter cube. It means that the volume of the metal in the pipe is 2640 centimeter cube. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.